Today I will discuss the meaning of each of the parameter values in the configuration menu. As discussed in previous videos, in order to get into the configuration menu, you're going to press and hold the temperature up and temperature down button simultaneously. You're going to press and hold until P0 and two numbers will come up on your display. And you let go. The first parameter you see is your power setting. That represents the kilowatt of your heater. The next parameter is the temperature range. There are three: R001, R002, and R003. R001 is the factory default and set for most residential applications. It provides a range of 60 degrees to 140 degrees. R002 provides a range from 32 degrees to 194 degrees for most commercial and industrial applications. R003 provides a range from 32 degrees to 104 degrees. The value should be set for the appropriate range based on your application. The next parameter in the configuration menu will allow you to choose how your unit displays its temperature in Fahrenheit or Celsius. DEFF is Fahrenheit and DECC is Celsius. Next, we'll select the normal display mode parameter value. This determines what is shown on the display during normal operation and standby. There are 5 to choose from. DSP1 shows a set point only. DSP2 shows a set point and inlet water temperature. DSP3 shows a set point and outlet water temperature. DSP4 shows your set point and flow rate, which is measured in gallons per minute. DSP5 shows your set point, inlet and outlet temperature, and flow rate, which is measured in gallons per minute. The next parameter is the power limiting factor. This allows you to control the total power draw of the heater of the power available. The range can be set from L00 to L100. Factory default setting is L100. The next parameter is used to configure the number of heating elements for your heater. There are 4 parameters available: E001, E002, E003, and E004. E001 is used for heaters that use only one heating element or heaters that is powered by 3-phase power. E002 is for single-phase units that uses 2 heating elements. E003 is used for single-phase heaters and also powered by 3 heating elements. E004 is for single-phase units with 4 heating elements. If you are unsure of the voltage and phase the heater is designed for, please refer to the label on the lower left-hand side of the front of the cover. The label will contain the model number, serial number, and other important electrical specifications. The next parameter is used for offsetting the temperature of the water relative to the set point displayed on the heater. You generally will never need this function. Hubble recommends leaving it programmed for 0. The next parameter is used to determine the potential flow rate range the heater will see. There are 2 parameter values: HF for high flow and LF for low flow. If your heater uses a high flow flow meter, the parameter should be programmed for HF. If your heater uses a low flow flow meter, the parameter should be programmed for LF. Here's a list of our high flow and low flow units. The next parameter is the remote control function. This function is used when an external signal or switch is used to activate the heater. There are 3 parameter values: IPOF, IPHI, and IPLO. Please refer to the O&M manual for more information on this function and wiring if needed, or look for the video tutorial for clearing the HLD code. The next parameter is used for the display lot function. This function allows the user to inhibit any changes to the set point in the configuration menu when enabled. You can enable this function by programming the parameter value for LCON and disabling it by programming it for LCOF. The last two parameters in the configuration menu show you the software versions installed on both display board and control boards. For example, version 18 is displayed as SD18, where 18 is a version of the display software. SB18, where 18 is the version of the main board software. Please note that these parameter values are not programmable and are only shown for informational purposes. Depending on which version of software is used, some of the parameters mentioned may not apply or show up in the menus. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit us at hubbleheaters.com.